This puppy. These puppies are coming up soon. You can adopt them. But for now, look at that face. Let's get you over to Heather. Also cute.
I'm sure they'll find a great home. Okay, so it's time for Ask the Derm. Board-certified dermatologist Dr. Groff from Cosmetic Dermatology is here to answer all your skin questions. Now, this is more than a skin question. This is a hair question. We're talking about dry shampoo and how it could possibly cause balding. So if people haven't heard about this, first things first, some people don't even know what dry shampoo is, so don't leave quite yet. You might want to learn a little bit about this. Explain dry shampoo for those of us who don't know.
Dry shampooing has been around for centuries, actually, but it's really in the last maybe 4 to 5 years it's really gained popularity because of the way it's delivered. It's basically a way to wash the hair without wetting it in the shower, so to keep it clean, looking fresh. And women love it because the way they style their hair has changed. A lot of women do, for example, Brazilian blowouts now. And if you would wash your hair in the traditional way, it would ruin the whole style. So a lot of women, for example, use the dry shampooing technique, you know, in between those blowouts.
For a lot of us here at the studio, this is what we use probably once or twice a week, because any of our hairstylists and most of our hairstylists in San Diego, they say, you know, try not to wash your hair every day, and especially if you're doing a workout, to try to make that wash last, you know, and just wash your hair 3 or 4 times a week if you can. So this is interesting though, because now it's saying that dry shampoo can cause balding. And this is a viral picture it was posted on Facebook by this woman, Nicole Baxter, and now it's been shared thousands, 33,000 times.
At least,
yes. She actually went bald, and it was exactly because of using dry shampoo. Do we know if that's for sure?
No, we definitely don't know if that's for sure. In fact, you know, I've been a dermatologist for 15 years, and I've never seen a single case of a patient coming in where they've used dry shampoo and had any hair loss. That doesn't mean that it can't happen once in, you know, a million patients or something. But this case here isn't even clear cut. You know, there's many reasons why a female patient might experience some temporary hair loss in the area here. So a lot of times patients like to correlate, well, I've been doing this, so it must be that caused this problem.
Right.
And that's not always the case. So I certainly won't want to our patients out there to be concerned, or you to be concerned, that using dry shampoo is going to cause hair loss, because I think the chances of that are extremely low.
Do you know if there's any sort of dry shampoos that maybe aren't what the product that we should be putting in our hair? Is there a specific one we should be using?
No, I think most of the brands that are sold at, you know, the grocery stores or at your hair salon are great. I mean, most of the products contain the same ingredients. There's usually something in there to help absorb the oil, like they usually use silica, or they can use even cornstarch, okay? Then there's usually some fragrance. Sometimes there's some clay in there to help with absorbing oils. So they're all very benign, harmless things that are in these products. So I don't really think you need to worry. There are organic variants that you can use if you're concerned about chemicals and things like that. Now, the one thing I will say is that when you use these products, and I actually brought one with me, and this is a great brand, but these are aerosolized, you can see. So you definitely don't want to be near any flames, or obviously...
I thought you stole mine out of the bathroom. I was like, wait a second, that's the one that I use.
No, this is my wife's, but I stole it from her. She doesn't have it this morning to use. She's probably going to kill me. But if you're, say, smoking a cigarette, which hopefully no one smokes anymore, but this could, you know, flame.
It's like hairspray.
Yeah, it's like hairspray, so you got to be really careful on open flame.
So is there potentially any dangers with this? I mean, I would just want to make sure that everyone's taking away what they need to from this segment. We see this woman, she said she's gotten bald from it. Is there now a certain amount of times a week you shouldn't be using this product because it could cause balding or buildup or anything at the scalp?
It can cause buildup if you use it every day. You should wash your hair in a normal fashion in the shower, probably at least twice a week. Otherwise, you're going to get a buildup of either the powder or the propellants or things on your scalp, which can clog the pores, and it can cause your hair, your scalp to get irritated and dry and flaky. But a hair loss issue, I think the chances are extremely small that that's even an issue.
Okay, so possibly just a one-case thing happening here.
Right.
Let's hope for all of us that do this all of the time. And I love all those natural alternatives that you have given us as well. So
options,
we can look for that. If you want to get in touch with Dr. Groff, the info right here on your screen. It's also linked to our website, fox5sandiego.com. Just click on that Xenon tab. Dr. Groff, thank you so much for always joining us. Nice to see you as well, Raul. I'll toss it back outside to you.
Yeah, buddy. Look who's still with us. Hi, Bubba, sweetie.